So monitoring, this is the place to spy on your competitors, or to spy on yourself if you want. But this is all using public accessible data, and everything is coming back to your dashboard. So it starts like this. You can add a new profile to monitor. So Mydrop supports monitoring on YouTube, Instagram or Twitter, X. And then these profiles will appear here. And you have a whole bunch of insight about it. So you can see what are the results of them, what is their engagement, what is the winning recipe. So it's not just results, it's like smart analytics and smart data that you can use to act on. As you can see here, for example, it will give you the latest opportunities based on this profile performance, and they will see that the Sunday post draws the most engagement. So you can do the same, act on this. And then it will open the post editor with the prompt ready. Act on this competitor inside for YouTube. Sunday post draw the most engagement. Give me a concrete ready to publish post ID that capitalizes on it. Very cool. You have their top content, and you can create similar. You have the topic radar, which is apparently dropshipping, the topics and formats, and content, angles, and hook. And then you can also create an alert to alert me on usual activity. So if your competitor has a spike of engagement or followers or whatever, you can get an alert instantly or as a weekly digest. And then it's the same for Instagram. What is the winning recipe? What are the profile results, opportunities, the trending topics, and as well as trending hashtags, content angle, and finally the same on Twitter. So yeah, this is really an intelligence place where you can spy, see what's working best, and quickly just get inspired by it and do the same or do something similar. I know you guys love it. So now let's head to the next feature, the inbox feature.